How to fix the Roblox Editor Code 769 Teleport Error. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's a quick way to fix the Roblox Editor Code 769. So first of all, you need to go ahead and open your computer search bar in the bottom and then type in settings or simply go to settings. Now go to network and internet, click on change adapter options that you will find in the advanced network settings section. Tap on it, choose your Wi-Fi. This will display your internet connections. Now right-click on your primary internet connection and select Properties. Give Administrative Privileges, and from the menu that appears, go to Internet Protocol version for TCP/IP v4 and then tap on its properties. Now tap on Use the following IPS addresses, and in the preferred DNS server type in 1, 1, and 1. And in the alternate DNS server, type in 1, 0, 0, 1, and then click on OK. So hopefully this will fix the Roblox Editor Code 769, which results in teleport error. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.